What's going on, folks? I'm Kyle with Dine Company. We make food service easier. I have before you today a Cecilware fryer, and I'm going to show you how to boil this out. After filling your fryer to the fill line, it should look something like this. Notice that the fryer is full to the fill line. It is free from any major sediments or debris. There's not a ton of crumbs in there that's going to gum this thing up. That should have all been dealt with beforehand. It's also just water in there, no oil. Additionally, it's worth noting, not all boil out products were created equal. Some don't play nice with aluminum fry pots or stainless fry pots. Personally, coming from the service perspective of things, I like this fryer puck product. It seems to work well for me. It plays nice with all the other metals, and it comes in a convenient size. Before handling the actual boil out product, make sure you have some PPE. I mean, this thing's designed to clean metal. It's not going to play nice with your skin. That being said, I'm suited up, grab my fryer puck, and we put it in there when it's nice and cool like this. The instructions on the package specifically say do not put it in there when it's boiling. So let's go ahead and drop it in. And after that, let's get our fryer going. Here we are about 30 minutes after. This fryer wasn't crazy dirty, but if your fryer needs thorough cleaning, this would be a great time to use a brush or even a scraper to clean around the inside of the fry pot. Again, be sure to wear PPE and be mindful of the hot water, because these are serious chemicals and very hot water, and they will hurt you if you're not careful. And yes, even if your fryer looks like the one in the thumbnail, you can get it just as clean as the after. That being said, once your fryer is clean, allow the water to cool and then drain and rinse it in an area with a grease trap. That being said, folks, really not much more to that. If you need a fryer puck or any other cleaning supplies to take care of this yourself, feel free to visit our website. Once again, I'm Kyle with Dine Company. We make food service easier. Have a great rest of your day.